Sending money from Morocco to Nigeria can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin, you need to determine the best method for your needs, considering factors such as transfer fees, exchange rates, and delivery speed. The most common methods include using a bank, a money transfer service, or an online platform. Banks are a traditional option, but they often charge high fees and may have slower transfer times. Money transfer services like Western Union or MoneyGram are widely available and offer quick delivery, but their fees can be high. Online platforms like PayPal or TransferWise often provide better exchange rates and lower fees. Once you have chosen your method, you will need to gather the necessary information. This typically includes the recipient's name, address, and bank account details if applicable. You will also need to provide identification and proof of address to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. To send the money, follow these steps. If using a bank, visit your local branch and provide the required information to initiate the transfer. If using a money transfer service, visit one of their locations or use their online platform to start the process. If using an online platform, create an account, add your payment method, and enter the recipient's details. After initiating the transfer, you will receive a reference number to track the status of your transaction. The recipient will typically receive the money within 1 to 5 business days, depending on the method and destination. To get the best value for your money, compare the fees and exchange rates of different providers before making a transfer. Additionally, be aware of any transfer limits or restrictions that may apply. By following these steps and considering your options carefully, you can send money from Morocco to Nigeria safely and efficiently.